Only 25 days are left for RENEET 2026 and I am not asking you to study 100 chapters right now. I am just going to tell you the most 28 important chapters of physics and chemistry that can boost your score up to 300 plus. So if your target is 300 plus in physics and chemistry, watch this video till the end because these chapters are very important for RENEET 2026. I will also tell you how to study these chapters smartly and effectively. So hello everyone, this is Ruby Yadav, currently doing MBBS at Government Medical College. I scored 622 marks in my NEET exam. So without any further delay, let's get started with physics. So in physics, first of all, you will have to cover current electricity, electrostatic, magnetism, EMI, AC and EM waves. These chapters are very important and cover 17 to 18 MCQs and these will give you 70 to 75 marks average. And then you will have to cover semiconductor, photoelectric current, atoms and nuclei. These chapters are very easy and doesn't take much time and these cover 10 to 12 MCQs average and these will give you 35 to 40 marks. And after completing these chapters, you will have to cover unit and dimension, kinematics, work power and energy and rotational motion. These chapters cover 6 to 7 MCQs average and will give you 20 to 25 marks. In physics, you just need to make formula maps, practice PYQ and solve test paper. Basically, you should focus on practicing as many questions as possible. Even if you complete one chapter per day, all your chapter will easily get covered. And by completing these chapters, you can easily score 135 to 140 marks. So now let's come to chemistry. So first of all, let's talk about physical chemistry. So in physical chemistry, you will have to cover chemical kinetics, solution, electrochemistry, thermodynamic and atomic structure. These cover 10 to 12 MCQ average and will give you 40 to 45 marks. In physical chemistry as well, you will have to follow the same approach as physics. Make formula map, practice PYQ and focus on the maximum question practice. So now let's come to inorganic chemistry. So in this, you will have to master chemical bonding, coordination compound, D and F block element, periodic table. These cover 16 to 17 MCQs average and will give you 60 to 65 marks. In inorganic chemistry, read the highlighted lines of NCERT, practice PYQ and test paper as much as possible. So now let's come to organic chemistry. So in this, you will have to cover aldehyde, ketone and CA, alcohol, phenol and ether, amines, hydrocarbons and GOC. These chapters cover 15 to 16 MCQs average and will give you 60 to 65 marks. And by completing these chapters, you can easily score 160 marks in chemistry. And remember, RENEET 2026 is not about studying everything. It's about studying the right chapters in right way. These 25 days of consistency and discipline can easily change your result, no matter what was the result of your NEET 2026. So trust the process, stay disciplined and keep showing up daily.